Is SoFi Money the best bank account in 2022? That's what we're going to figure out today's video. So I've been using SoFi for my main bank account for 2.5 years now, so since May 2019. Previous to that, I was using Capital One 360, and over the next couple of months, I'm going to be reviewing all the major online banks. So if you're interested in seeing those future videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in signing up for SoFi Money, I'll put my referral link down below in the description. That way we can both earn some free money. So now let's get into the benefits of having a SoFi Money account. The first benefit, probably the most important one, is to earn 0.25% on your checking account. So most banks pay 0 interest on their checking account. As long as you have direct deposit set up with SoFi, you're earning 0.25% on all of the money you have with your SoFi Money account. So this could be the normal kind of SoFi Money account or the vaults. Basically everything you have within SoFi Money is earning 0.25%. This isn't the highest interest rate for savings account, but it's probably the highest rate out there for a checking account. If you want to learn more about other savings account options, check out this video up above right here. So currently I'm using SoFi Money as my main bank. So when I get paid, money goes into that. Then I pay my credit card bill. I send money to my SoFi Invest account. I send money to some of my crypto accounts, and the main kind of hub is SoFi Money. And it's great knowing that I have to have a few $1,000s there at any given point, and all of that is earning 0.25% as opposed to 0. The next benefit is the free overdraft protection. So if you overdraft your account by less than $50, you won't be charged a fee as long as you have direct deposit set up. So again, as you're going to see, most online banks want you to have direct deposit. They're going to add additional features by doing that because they know, hey, if you're getting paid from your employer into this account, the stickiness of you not going anywhere is much higher. So, most banks, to get the major benefits, you're going to need to be depositing your money from your employer into your account. Also, by being a SoFi member, so having any SoFi account, you get several benefits. So they have discounts on their loans. You get a 0.125% discount on loans. So it could be student loans, personal loans, mortgages, if you have another SoFi account. Also, they have experiences. So they have online events, in-person events that you can go to for free if you have a SoFi account. Also, they have career coaching. So you can get free career coaching by having an account with SoFi. I'm not sure with SoFi Money, or if you just have the SoFi Invest account, you have access to a financial advisor. So you can get free financial advice with your SoFi account. Do you still find yourself using physical cash? Well, with SoFi Money, you can withdraw from over 55,000 all-point ATMs at no cost to you. To get money into your account, to get physical cash into your account is a bit more difficult. So checks, really easy, you can do within the app. I'll show you that within just a second. But actually having physical dollars, you're not going to be able to make deposits very easily. So you can use, there's a service you can use, I think at Walmart, 7-Eleven. I think there's a bunch of places where you can go deposit money, but I think the fee is $4.95. I'll also show that when we're running through the app. But I see that as the major downside. If you're looking to deposit money, you may want to check out banks that have physical locations. So now let's check out SoFi Money within the app. So here is the main SoFi Money page. You can see along the bottom, you have the home, credit card, invest, and loans. But this is the section for SoFi Money. So you have your balance, the current APY. You see the photo icon right here. So you could click on this if you wanted to. You enter the check amount, you add a picture of the front and the back, and you're good to go. Are you sure you want to cancel this? Yes, let's cancel. Okay, the next thing, so transfers, if you want to transfer to or from money, transfer to invest, send money to a friend, or set up direct deposit. The next thing is bill pay, and then if you click on more, there's a ton of options here. So direct deposit, overdraft, you can turn if you wanted to freeze your debit card or needed the card number, things like that, you can find that here. Here's what I was saying before about deposit cash. So you can see there's 90,000 retailers you can do it at, but then you see our partners impose a small fee up to $4.95. So I guess it could be less, but there is a fee to deposit cash with this service. Here's your statements, order checks. You can add a joint account holder. There's, goes through the account benefits, chat with support, close the account if you wanted to. Let's go back. Okay, now I want to show you the vault. So this is where, I think I wouldn't have a savings account that doesn't have something like this. So there's only a couple options where you can set up individual goals like you can with SoFi Money. So I think Ally Bank allows you to do it with their savings account. Yada does. And, there might be another two, but those are the ones I'm thinking of right now. So you can see here, I set up 2 different vaults. So I have an emergency fund. I have a, car vault as well. So if you want to create a new vault, it's really easy. You just click right here, say what it's for. So I want to set up a travel goal of $800, let's say. Next. And then do I want to transfer money to this account right now? So one time today, let's add $25 to our travel vault, transfer money. Okay, there we go. And then now you see I have my emergency fund and my travel vault. So I'm currently saving with Yada and some through crypto stablecoins. I have a few videos on each of those that I'll link to up above right here. But if you want to do everything all in one place, that's one of the most powerful things I think with SoFi is your money account, your invest account. You can have student loans, your mortgage. The SoFi Credit Card is a great card to get 2% cash back. You can do that all within the app. Again, if you want to transfer either money in or out, so you have your spending balance and you could add to the emergency fund, you can do one time or monthly on the first. Let's close out of this. And then one of the other nice options is autosave here. So each time you get paid, you could set up a certain percent or amount to be sent to your vault. So, hey, most of it stays in my normal SoFi Money account, and then I send 10% to this vault, 5% to this vault. You can set that all up on autopilot. The next option are roundups. So roundups are essentially if you use your debit card, it'll round up to the nearest dollar. This is something that I don't really find to be useful for two reasons. The first reason, you should probably be using a credit card. So you could get the SoFi credit card and get 2% cash back. So any spending you do, 2% of it comes back that you could use to add to your SoFi Money, SoFi Invest account. The roundups, it's not going to add up to that much money. So if you did 20 transactions a month with a debit card, you could be getting cash back or points using a credit card. And you get, say, 50 cents per transaction. So 20 transactions times 50 cents is $10. I would just rather set up on autopilot, add $25 to my emergency fund a month, and it's going to add up to more money. And equally, adding $25 to one of your vaults or doing the roundups if you're using your debit card. Those are things where you take a little bit of money out of your normal checking account and start to save it. And it's going to add up over time, and you won't notice the fact that there's a little bit less that you have to spend. But I do think there are better options than using this roundup feature. One thing I just figured out today that I had not used before is the shop local, get rewarded. So I'm in East Lansing, Michigan right now, and there's not a ton around that give you good cash back. So this is a time where I do approve of you using your debit card is if you get something like this. So you can see at the salad place that's not too far from here, I can get 15% cash back. So depending on where you are, there may be tons more offers than what I'm getting at the moment. So down below you see buy stocks, ETFs, and crypto. So this is SoFi Invest. So I have two SoFi Invest accounts. So I have a normal brokerage account and then I have an IRA. So I transferred money when I left my previous employer, the 401k, into an IRA here. The nice thing is there's no fee for buying stocks or ETFs. They have a bunch of cryptocurrencies you can purchase as well. I'm going to be testing out their automated investing, kind of their robo-advisor. I'll be linking to review videos of both the active investing and the robo-advisor as soon as they're ready up above right here. But again, I just really like that, you have everything all in one app. Then here, if you have a bunch of friends, you want to talk about SoFi Money, SoFi Invest, credit cards, they do have nice referral bonuses. Okay, if you scroll down further, you see the weekly spending. One of the nice things with a SoFi account is what's called SoFi Relay. So it's essentially like mint.com. You can connect all of your other financial accounts and manage your money all in one place. So you know if you're how much you're spending in different categories, how much money you're bringing in, what account balances you have on all of your accounts. You can manage it all in one place. I think you can get that all set up even if you don't have any SoFi accounts. So you can just pull in all of your other financial information, manage it one place with SoFi Relay. So that's my take on SoFi Money, my go-to bank for the last 2.5 years. If you want to follow along with my journey to finding the best bank account in 2022, definitely subscribe to this channel. One video you should definitely check out is my review of Yada's PrizeLink savings account. I'll link to that right here. Hope to see you in a future video. Bye-bye.